Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into one of nature's sweetest gifts, honey. Not only is honey delicious, but it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Stick around as we explore the incredible benefits of honey and why you should consider making it a part of your daily routine. Let's get started. Honey has been used for thousands of years, not just as a natural sweetener, but also for its medicinal properties. It's rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. The best part? Honey is 100% natural and can be used in so many different ways, from cooking to skincare. Rich in antioxidants. First up, honey is loaded with antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases, including heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants in honey, like flavonoids and phenolic acids, help fight inflammation and keep your body healthy. Dark honey, like buckwheat honey, tends to have even higher levels of antioxidants, so if you're looking for a health boost, try incorporating darker varieties into your diet. Natural energy booster. Looking for a quick energy boost? Honey is an excellent source of natural energy. It contains natural sugars, glucose and fructose, that are easily absorbed by the body, making it a great pre-workout snack or a natural way to fight off fatigue during the day. Unlike processed sugars, honey provides a steady release of energy without causing a crash. So, the next time you need a pick-me-up, skip the energy drink and reach for a spoonful of honey instead. Supports digestive health. Honey is also fantastic for your digestive system. It contains enzymes that aid in digestion and can help soothe the stomach. Raw honey, in particular, is known for its prebiotic properties, which means it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. Many people also use honey to relieve symptoms of acid reflux and indigestion. A simple remedy is to mix a tablespoon of honey with warm water and lemon juice for a calming, digestive-friendly drink. Immune-boosting properties. Next, let's talk about honey's immune-boosting powers. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties, honey can help strengthen your immune system. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy for coughs, colds, and sore throats. Manuka honey, in particular, is known for its potent antimicrobial properties. Adding a spoonful of honey to your tea or taking it straight can help soothe a sore throat and support your immune system during cold and flu season. Skin and wound healing. Did you know honey is also amazing for your skin? Its antibacterial and moisturizing properties make it a popular ingredient in skincare products. You can use honey as a natural face mask to help hydrate your skin and fight off acne-causing bacteria. Honey has even been used to treat minor wounds and burns. Its natural healing properties can promote faster recovery and reduce the risk of infection. So, the next time you have a small cut or burn, try applying a little honey as a natural remedy. And there you have it, some of the incredible benefits of honey. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion and glowing skin, honey truly is a natural powerhouse. Just be sure to choose raw or unprocessed honey to get the most benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more health and wellness tips. Have a favorite way to use honey? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.